Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently about midnight right now, but I got my lucky bag in the mail today. So I thought I would shoot a video showing you guys what I got inside of it. This is my first year ever doing it. For those of you who don't know what a lucky bag is, every year Beautylish.com puts out this thing called a lucky bag. It is a celebration of the new year. I believe it's a tradition in Japan. Yes, lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's lucky bag is brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world with their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Super cute. I opened the box already, but I have no idea what is inside of here. This was pretty expensive. It was $75 for the small box. You had to sign up for an email system. By the time I got on the website, the extra large bag, which was $150, but you're guaranteed $350 worth of products in that one had already sold out. This is just the regular size one. It's $75 plus shipping, but you're guaranteed $150 worth of products in here. I've seen various people get these in the past and I've always missed out on it, so I jumped on it and was so excited that I actually got one this year. This is what it looks like. I'm guessing these are the 7 gods. Really cute. It's packaged nicely, obviously. You can see it's just very cute all around. If you've ever ordered anything from Beautylish.com before, they tend to have really nice packaging in general, so I'm not too surprised at how cute this is. All right, I'm nervous. Let's do it. Ooh, wow. Okay, one of these things I definitely kind of speculated might be in here, and it is. So this is the infamous Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Y'all remember this guy? Oh wait, no. Oh, I lied. This is the Prism Palette. Ooh, I'm very excited right now. Oh my God. Okay, I had a really depressing day. I've been battling depression really bad lately, so I needed this. I'm excited. I have never in my life bought a palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills just because I'm not rolling in the cash. I'm not on their PR list, obviously. But the box that it came in feels really nice. It's like a matte black box. It feels soft. It feels velvety. This is really nice. Oh, speaking of velvet, the palette itself is this black crushed velvet. Very, very nice. Ooh, oh my God. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect to be this excited already. So it does come with a little brush, but that's not the exciting part. This is the exciting part. This is what the palette looks like. It looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's definitely a lot of shimmer in this palette. The brush that it came with doesn't look bad either. This is what the brush looks like. It's got a fluffy blending side and then it has a little smudger side. Very nice. Ooh, a couple of these colors are just kind of screaming out to me, so I'm just gonna swatch a couple of them to see how impressive they really are. Okay, so that color is Dimension. It is beautiful. I'm really into that. That next pale golden shade is Lucid. It reminds me a lot of the shade Now and Zen from ColourPop. Ooh, and then that deep green on the end is Throne. Lots of good shimmers in this palette. I'm definitely excited to play with this. So right off the bat, I'm really excited. This looks like a beautiful palette. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of glad it wasn't the Subculture palette. I thought that that might be in this box, and there was just so much backlash with that palette and so much just negativity surrounding it. This is really nice. I'm definitely very, very excited about this. Did I say that already? Oh, next thing in my mask is a brightening sheet mask. Did I say next thing in my mask? Next thing in my box is a brightening sheet mask from a Japanese brand or Chinese. Forgive me, I'm not sure what that is, but this is a sheet mask. As y'all know, I'm not that big of a fan of sheet masks, so I'm gonna have to pass this along to one of my friends because I don't know, they just don't excite me. They don't do much for me. More power to you if sheet masks are your thing. I'm jealous. I wish they were my thing since I do often receive them in boxes, but they're just not my cup of tea, so I'm gonna pass that along to one of my friends. Next thing in my bag is from Corbeil. This is a Wave and Shine spray. It looks like a travel size, which I'm not gonna lie, kind of disappointed. Corbeil is an incredibly luxuriously priced hair brand. I've never really tried too much from them because of that reason. For instance, I think their dry shampoo is something crazy like $35 or $40. No. This is nice. I'm excited to try this out. But look at the detailing on the cap. That's definitely nice. This is what the bottle itself looks like. Like I said, pretty positive this is a travel size. Wonder if the people who paid for the bigger bag got like a full-size Corbeil product, but I don't know. I haven't bought into the hype of Corbeil too much because it's just outrageous. Like, it can't be that good, right? Excited to give this a go. Ooh, next thing in here, it looks like another palette from Becca Cosmetics. Actually, oddly enough, I don't think I own anything from Becca Cosmetics, which is weird. This is their Blushed with the Light Trio palette. It looks like it is a shimmery blush palette. Oh my god. I'm trying so hard not to destroy this box, but fuck it. You want to be destroyed, wish granted. This is what the palette itself looks like. Very shiny, lots of reflect. We have 3 different blush shades. They are named Wisteria, Songbird, and Snapdragon. That's exciting. There they are. Honestly, I would have been more pumped to get like a Becca highlighter palette, but whatever, this is cool too. I got really into blush palettes when I let's be real, I never travel. I don't go anywhere. I'm not a beauty influencer. I don't go on brand trips. I don't travel. I never leave my house. But when I did actually go somewhere and travel, I realized how great blush palettes were because I didn't have to throw like 20 blushes in my bag. I could just take one palette. So this is gonna be really good for any time I, let's face it, go home to visit my parents. Excited to play around with this, especially because, like I said before, I don't really own any Becca products, so this is gonna be fun for me. Ooh, I was hoping there would be something like this in here. I have a makeup brush from Wayne Goss. Once again, never tried anything from Wayne Goss because, my god, his brushes are pricey. This is the number 19 brush. It looks like a very fine, just dropped the whole box. Looks like a very fine precision tapered blending brush. It feels really nice. This feels great. I can quickly see this becoming my new favorite kind of inner crease eye definer brush. I'm very excited to get this. This is definitely one of the reasons why I wanted to get the box, is I knew that there'd be things in here I wouldn't purchase for myself, such as this brush. So I'm really excited to try this out, especially with my new eye palette. Like, duh, hello. Oh my god, I think I am already at the last thing. It looks like another palette of some sort. Ooh. This is from Kwan, y'all. This is some expensive stuff. The bubble wrap is just eating it alive though. Oh my gosh. This is the Kwan Neo Setting Powder. What? I have no idea what this is. Very excited. Let's open you up. Let's see what you are. Set your makeup dial up or down with the first ever 3-in-1 flexible setting powder. Okay. The exclusive Neo Gradient technology takes any makeup look from matte to satin glow with just one swipe. A bold claim there, but all right. The silky lightweight powder formula glides to whatever. It's a powder. We'll see. Ooh, wow. This is how you know you're holding some bougie ass expensive makeup. Is look at this little velvet pouch it comes in. This is so extra. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Kwan ombre in my life. Never had anything from him because it's so expensive. You have the beautiful signature Kwan ombre coming through, but then when you open it up, you guys, are you ready for it? Oh, I have no idea if you're gonna be able to see it on camera, but this side over here, is it this side? Oh god, I'm gonna confuse it now. This side is like a glowy pink soft reflect, and this side is a matte side, and they have very nicely ombreed them together. This is crazy. Like, this is a very expensive, mass luxurious makeup product. I feel fortunate to be holding it. Also, a really great, decent sized mirror in here. This is 100% something I would never, ever buy myself. While my camera was so rudely overheating, I went ahead and looked up the prices for all of these things for you guys. So now I'm gonna give you the rundown on everything. For this Kwan setting powder, this is $58, y'all. $58. What? That's insane. That is so... I mean, I get it, like, he's Kwan, people like worship him and all of that, but oh my god, from like a small town girl's point of view, that is a shit ton of money. Oh my gosh, that is so expensive. That is so overpriced. Am I right? Am I crazy? I feel bad saying that, but that's overpriced, right? That has to be. That's ludicrous. For the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. This retails for $42. However, the time that I'm shooting this video currently, just to give you an idea, today is, technically it's Tuesday because it's like 1 a.m. right now. Technically Tuesday the 23rd right now, and this is currently on sale on Sephora.com for $32, not $42. So that does kind of bring down the value just a little bit. But honestly, I would pay $32 for this palette. I think this palette is pretty great. I'm very, very excited to have this in my collection. There's a lot of colors in here I don't own. There's a lot of new colors in my life. This is just a fun palette. I really appreciate the colors. I appreciate the mattes in here. Seems like a good workable palette. This is obviously the thing I'm most excited about from this box. The Wayne Goss brush retails for $22. What? How? Huh? I would never ever pay $22 for this brush. I'm sure it's worth it. I'm sure it's a great brush. I'm sure it's gonna last like my whole lifetime and all that. That's a lot of money. You know, I've got really good brushes now from really affordable brands such as Luxie Beauty. I love their brushes. I've raved about their brushes before. No way in hell I would ever pay $22 for a brush on my own, so definitely excited that I have this. The Becca Palette, let me just say it how it is, y'all. So this palette retails for $34, which I just find, that's insane. I mean, honestly, like, look at the size of these pans. These are not very big pans. These are about a little bit bigger than a standard eyeshadow pan. So for $34, this better knock my socks off. I would highly advise not spending $34 to buy this. That just seems like a waste of money to me. I am obsessed with my Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean palette. I'm not really sure if that's still available, but I think that was around $35. And you get 6 different colors in there, blushes and highlighters. So that one's a little more universal. Plus a lot of people come out with blush palettes now, you know, like this isn't the only blush palette available to you. I don't think this is necessarily, I mean, I haven't used it yet, so I feel like I'm speaking too soon, but $34 for a blush palette, not really. Y'all know my thoughts on the Kwan powder, or at least let me tell you again if you didn't get a clear image. That is crazy expensive. $58 for a setting powder is just, that's unreal, you know? Like, that's half a car payment. That's a lot of money. That is way too much, so I'm definitely excited that this snuck into my life so I can play with it, because I will never repurchase something that ludicrously expensive. I feel like that's just, I don't know. I mean, it feels nice, you know? This is nice. It feels luxurious. It comes in the velvet pouch. It's got all the little, like, hit all the nice little soft spots that I wanted it to hit. Like, ooh, I'm using a nice product. Let me take it out of my velvet pouch. But other than that, $58 for a setting powder? Let's be real, no. The Corbeil Wave and Shine Spray. This bad boy, this travel size retails for $22. What? $22 for this? What? No, you would have to be I'm not on that level of life where I feel comfortable spending $22 on a travel size hair product. That's just not where I'm currently at in my life. So I'm excited to try this, but hell no, this can't be worth $22. I mean, just to be frank, this can't. Sheet mask. The sheet mask is $130 for 10, so about $13 for this one sheet mask. As a firm believer in non-sheet mask life, that's insane. For one sheet mask, $13 is better, like make you look 50 years younger. Almost honestly tempts me to keep it and use it and see if it is amazing, but at the same time, I don't want to know if you're that good because I can't afford to repurchase you. Overall, in my lucky bag, I got an eyeshadow palette, a blush palette, a hair setting spray or whatever, an eyeshadow brush, a Kwan face setting powder with its own little velvet pouch. Ooh. And a sheet mask. So, final verdict, do I think the lucky bag was worth it? To be totally frank, no, I don't. I don't think it was worth spending $75 on it. The only thing I'm like really excited about is the eyeshadow palette. So in the future, I will probably just watch everyone's lucky bag videos and buy the items that excite me, because that is the only one that really spoke to me. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I promise not all my videos are this negative. I don't know what it was. Maybe I'm in a dark mood. I'm not really positive, but I am very excited for this eyeshadow palette. Don't get me wrong. I am excited to play around with my new eyeshadow palette. This lucky bag wasn't a total loss because I got to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you're one of the people, one of the millions of people out there dealing with seasonal depression as I have been, please know that you're not alone. You are definitely not the only one going through this. I see tons of YouTubers talking about it recently, and it makes me feel so good to know that I'm not alone and everyone is kind of feeling shitty this January for whatever reason. Hope you have something keeping you going and something to look forward to in your life. For me, that is YouTube. I look forward to putting up these videos every week. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and hearing your thoughts and opinions on everything, so please talk to me. I love talking to you guys. It honestly makes my day. I hope you're all having a great week. Thank you again so much for watching. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep rambling now if I don't go. So I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.